Welcome to the deep dive into Texas Capital Bank, where we'll uncover the details of their terms of service and review their banking offerings in simple, clear language. If you're new to banking or considering Texas Capital Bank, this video is for you. Texas Capital Bank stands out as a leading financial institution in Texas, offering a range of services including personal banking, business banking, wealth management, and lending. Their primary offerings include checking and savings accounts, certificates of deposit, and tailored loan products. Advantages: customer focus. Texas Capital Bank prides itself on personalized service, offering dedicated relationship managers for clients. Robust business services. They specialize in assisting small and medium enterprises with unique business banking needs. Digital innovation. Their online and mobile banking platforms are highly rated for usability and functionality. Disadvantages: fees. Some account types require a high minimum balance, with maintenance fees exceeding $25 per month for certain accounts. Limited branch access. While strong in Texas, their physical presence is limited compared to national banks. Eligibility requirements. Some services are geared toward high net worth individuals or businesses, which may not cater to everyday users. Service overview. Checking accounts. Designed for flexibility, with options for low balance users or premium clients. Savings accounts. Competitive rates, but higher minimums for the best returns. Loans and credit. From personal loans to commercial financing, Texas Capital offers a diverse portfolio, though some require strong credit scores. Digital banking. 24/7 access to funds, easy mobile deposits, and bill pay options. Cost. Account fees vary significantly. While some accounts are free, premium options might require balances exceeding $10,000 to waive monthly fees. Overdraft fees average $35 per transaction, a common industry standard. Want to learn more? Hit subscribe, drop a like, and join us as we continue to explore financial services with transparency and clarity.